Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to upload your first video on YouTube step by step. If you are a beginner, this video is only for you. Let's start. Now we cannot see anything because we didn't upload any video right now, and this one is content. You can click here and inspiration and idea for your next video. You can take idea about your videos and videos. When you upload your videos, here you can see your videos and like, comment, like, dislike. When you upload your video, visibility, reactions, you can see all these things here, and short. And here you can see how many shots you upload, and live, you can check live streaming. Playlist, here you can see your all playlist related to your videos. Like if you are added two separate topics like food and shopping, you can enter all these in separate playlist. And broadcast, promotions and collaboration. And here you can see analysis. Click here, and right now you cannot see anything in here because we didn't upload any video right now. So when you upload your videos, then you can check your analysis like views and watch time, subscribe. Here you can see, and if you want like last 7 days, 28 days and last 90 days, and here you can select from this drop down and check total views here. Here you can see comments related to your videos, and from here you can reply to your viewers. And here you can see subtitle. Here you can see all videos, which one you upload and publish, and like which language you publish, like 1 or 2 language, and when you upload. And here you can see, and customization, we have already done our customization. And here is the audio library. Here if you want select any music from here, then you can select and add in your videos, and it will not be a copyright. If you want, you can pick anyone from this, like I will show you. And if you want, this is the music. Here you can see create button and click here. Now you can see here upload videos. Click here. If you want, you can just drag and drop videos, and if you want select file, you can click on select and upload. And now we need to select our file and click on open. Your title should be clear. People can understand about what kind of video you upload here. And here you can see description, and tell viewers about your video and what kind of topic in your videos. And here you can see thumbnail. Here you need to upload your video thumbnail, and I upload after that. And first I just upload my video, after that I give my description and thumbnail. And here you can see playlist. Add your video in one or more playlist or to organize your content for viewer. And you can select from here like create playlist. Click here and select on new playlist. Here I give a title for my playlist like a food, and now we need to click on create. And if you want to give a description, then you can. And here you can see here is one playlist, and we need to click on done. If you want add more videos in same playlist, then you can add. And if you want create a new playlist, and again you need to click on playlist. If you have a more topics, then you have to create a different playlist for each topic, like food, shopping, traveling, and each. Now we need to click on create, and here you can see we have 2 playlists. You can pick playlist according to your topics. Now we need to click on done, but this video I will not add in my playlist. Now I need to click on done. Choose audience. This video is set to not made for kids, and I select on no. If your video is for kids, then you can learn more about here, but I click on no. Age restrictions. If you have any restrictions about age, then you can click on yes, but on my videos have no restrictions, so I click on no. And paid promotion. If you have any paid promotion, then you can click here, otherwise we do not click here. Collaboration. If you want learn more about collaboration, then you can click here and you can learn more about collaboration. To click here, like here you can see videos related to collaboration, but here is nothing for select. Automatic chapter, click here. Future placed and click here. And automatic concept and click here. Tags in YouTube is keyword or phrase that helps YouTuber to understand what your video is about. If you want, you can give here tag like hashtag and some related to your videos keywords. Language and caption certificate. If you want to make changes in your video language, then you need to select from this drop down. You can select any from this drop down. Recording date and location, we do not need select anything from here. And license, we have a standard YouTube license, you can check from here. Shorts, remixing, allow videos and audio remixing, click here. Category, add your video to a category so viewer can find it more easily, and if you want change, then you can select from this drop down and you can make changes. Comments and rating, comment and I select on. If you want, you can click on off. It's totally up to you, and you want comment on your videos or not. Moderation, you can select from here. If you want, you can select strict and but I select on basic. It's totally up to you. If you want select strict, you can click here. And short, top and newest, I select on top, and now we need to click on next. Video ultimates, we do not select anything from here, and now we need to click on next. YouTube checks the video to make sure it has no copyright or other problems before upload. If you have any issue like copyright, then YouTube will not upload your video. So now we need to click on next. Here you can see visibility, choose when to publish and who can see your video, save or publish, and here you can see options private, unlisted, public. Private, only you can see your video, nobody can see your video. Unlisted, only people with link can watch it. If you give link to someone, they can only watch but other people cannot watch. Public, everyone can see your video. I click on public. Now I need to make a schedule. Select from this drop down, and here you can see date. Select from here, like I select here. Now I need to select time, and from this drop down I select like time. Here you can see I set time for publish my video, and now I need to click on schedule. Click here. Here you can see our dashboard. Now we need to check our video, so now we need to click on content. Click here, and here you can see our video. And now we need to add description. Click here. Here you can see details. Click here. Here you can see title of our video. Now we need to add description. Here you can see description about our video, and people can easily understand about our video, like how to create a Google account and set up channel name and handle, banner, and all these things people can easily understand about our description. Thumbnail, here you can see upload file. Now we need to click on here and upload our thumbnail. Click here, and here you can see our video thumbnail. And now we need to add our tag. Here you can see tag. Now we need to add tag for our video. Now we done all the step, and now we need to click on save. And in this way you can upload your video without any error. If you want to create a logo and banners, I already make one video and you can watch on my channel AS Smart Guide. And if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.